Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. I normally don't work on these, but this is one of them Dewalt weed trimmers. A lot of people around here have been buying these because they don't like gas ones no more, or they always have problem with gas ones. These Dewalt trimmers are really good, but they have problems with their bumper heads. They like breaking and stuff. So you can buy replacement heads, and people don't know how to put them on. So I'll show you a quick and easy way how to put a new bumper head on one of these. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Okay, I normally don't work on this electric stuff, but I have some Dewalt drills and impacts and stuff like that. A lot of people, especially elderly people, are having problems putting these new heads on these, and I've been doing it a lot, and a lot of people don't know how to do it. Maybe I'll show them. So on the side here, there's like a notch, and there's a hole in this plate. You just stick a screwdriver in there, and a wrench will work on there, or a crescent wrench. Just turn it. If you have this out, the whole thing's going to spin. So that's why they put that little thing there. I don't know if when you buy these things new, if it comes with a little tool to do this or not. I don't know. I never bought one. So just screw that out. Get all that debris out of there. And we'll take the new one out of the package and keep your screwdriver in there. And just screw it on counterclockwise. And just snug it up. Take your screwdriver out. And that's all you gotta do. Real simple, but I don't know if people can't understand the directions, or there's not any directions with these or not. I don't know, but I figured I'd just show you guys how to do it. It's real simple. Just need a screwdriver, a crescent wrench. So that's probably like about a 5/8 or 11/16 or 3/4 probably. Box end wrench. But anyways, hope this video helps you out. Really appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. And you guys have a good afternoon.